This is the second largest species of the macropod family. This is a good sized male, and he'll get up and over 1.5 meters in height. Oh, the thing about macropods is, believe it or not, the gestation period for a female kangaroo is just over 30 days. And when the little baby's born, he makes his way into the pouch, and they can stay in the pouch for up to 12 months, depending on the size of the species. In the last couple of months, what will happen is the joey will get in and out of the pouch, and he'll actually feed still through the pouch from the outside of the mother, sticking his head in the pouch, getting some drink. One day she'll just close it up completely, say you're too big, it's time to leave home and get out and on your way. She'll just use those pouch muscles to close up her pouch, and then she'll be ready to mate again. Now when the conditions are good, the female kangaroo can have a joey beside her, one in the pouch and one on the way. She's actually got the amazing ability to store a fertile embryo and give birth when the conditions are good enough for her young to survive strongly. You can see that they've been licking their forearms, they're nice and wet, and that's basically their air conditioning system. A lot of blood vessels close to the skin in the forearms, and what they do is they lick them, and that keeps them nice and cool. Opposite to the crocodile, because the crocodile wants to warm up, the kangaroo wants to cool down. Thanks for watching. Let's help protect, look after and promote Mother Nature together. Don't forget to tune in next week so you can join us on our next adventure, and see you next time.